Tanveer. Now we will study kind of sentence. Let's start. There are three kind of sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Now we will study define positive. It tells us that something is true. Example, he is Ali. It is a book. Now we will study negative. Define negative. It tells us that something is not true. He is not Ali. It is not book. Now we will study define interrogative. Let's start. If something is asked in a sentence, it is called interrogative. Example, is he Ali? Is it a book?